If you are a business owner, ikaw ay isang MSME, micro, small, medium enterprises, this is for you! Awesome, happy, abundant life sa tanan-tanan. Abangan mga ka-good vibes, meron tayong very, very exciting guest for this coming January 2. Negosyo ta in partnership with South Cotabato Chamber. Live na live sa Good Vibes 90.5 and sa official page at Coach Nix Mariano. Mga ka-good vibes, abangan 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Know more about Clint Hunsay, ULAP, and how they can actually help you out or how you can actually collaborate with them. Check this out, mga ka-good vibes. I'm Coach Nix Mariano, your AHA Life Coach. Let's journey together, create and live an awesome, happy, abundant life.